Very good morning to all of you. Now today topic is salt. Okay, their classification and preparation also. Okay, this is of chapter acid, bases and salt, class 10 chemistry chapter. Now what is salt? Salt can be prepared by mixing acid and base. Now what is acid? Acid is a substance. Acids are the substances which releases one or more H plus ions in aqueous solution. And what are bases? Bases are the substances which releases one or more OH minus ions in aqueous solution. Now what happens when acid and base combines? Now see here, when acid and base combines, it forms salt and water. So what is salt? Salt is a mixture of acid and base when dissolved in water. Now say example HCl dilute, because in solid state, in dry state, it will not show its acidic property. NaOH, base, dilute. What happens when both combines? It gives salt. NaCl, sodium chloride salt and water. Okay, see one more example. KOH, H2SO4, acid, KOH, base. Okay, this is base, this is acid. When combines, gives K2SO4 and again water. Okay, now what is this? This is salt. होता क्या है? एसिड बेस कंबाइन करता है, सॉल्ट का फॉर्मेशन होता है. Now actually what is salt? Salt is ionic compound. Salt is ionic compound. And it contains cations and anions. You see NaCl, cations and anions. Combination of cations and anions, and there is strong electrostatic force of attraction between cations and anions. In this also you see, this is K plus and SO4 2 minus. Cation and anion. Okay, so there is attraction between cations and anions, and in this way salt forms. Now see some examples of salt. Some more examples of salt, which is made from cations, combination of cations and anions. Okay, sodium chloride, combination of Na plus Cl minus. Sodium nitrate, combination of Na plus NO3 minus. Okay. Sodium carbonate, Na plus CO3 2 minus. Sodium sulfate, 2 Na plus, because here I have taken Na2, SO4 2 minus. Okay. See some more examples. MgCl2. So this is example, combination of Mg plus 2. Cations and anions. MgSO4. Okay, MgSO4. Mg plus 2. SO4 2 minus. Okay, KCl. K plus Cl minus. KNO3. K plus NO3 minus. And so on. There are lots and lots of examples, which is combination of cations and anions. Okay. Now see the classification. Classification of salt. First, on the basis of chemical formula. Okay. Classification of salt on the basis of chemical formulae. Okay, first is normal salt. Normal salt. What is normal salt? It contains equimolar mixture of acid and base. For example, NaCl. It contains cations and anions. Here replaceable hydrogen and replaceable OH is hydroxyl group is not present. Okay? In this normal salt, example is NaCl, KCl and so on. So it will not contain replaceable hydrogen or replaceable hydroxyl group. Okay? Second is acidic salt. Acidic salt. Example is NaHSO4. Okay, it contains one replaceable hydrogen. Okay, so the name is acidic salt. How can it be prepared? NaOH plus H2SO4 by the combination of sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid we get NaHSO4. Okay, next is basic salt. Basic salt. Okay, acidic salt contains H. It means basic salt will contain OH. CaOH, Cl. Now how can it be prepared? By the combination of calcium hydroxide, slag lime plus hydrochloric acid, HCl, acid and base. Now in this way we get CaOH, Cl. Okay, in this also hydrogen will be removed. This also hydrogen is, water is. Okay. Now one more very important in this is double salt. On the basis of chemical formula, one more is double salt. Now this is the mixture of, what is double salt? This is the mixture of double salt. Mixture of two normal salt in equimolar proportion. दो नॉर्मल सॉल्ट को, ठीक है, इक्विमोलर प्रोपोर्शन में मिक्स करेंगे, व्हाट विल हैपन? वी विल गेट डबल सॉल्ट, दो नॉर्मल सॉल्ट. नाउ सी हाउ इट हैपेंस. K2SO4, potassium sulfate, Al2SO4 whole 3, aluminum sulfate and water 24H2O. When combined it gives K2SO4, Al2SO4 whole 3, 24H2O. What is this? Potash alum. Potash alum. What will happen if you will take chromium, Cr2SO4 whole 3, 24H2O. We will get K2SO4, Cr2SO4 whole 3, 24H2O. This is chromalum. See some more examples of double salt which is important for you. This is in your syllabus also. You must know about more salt and ferric salt also. More salt, ammonium sulfate, ferrous sulfate and 6H2O. What is this? This is more salt solution. This is more salt. And if we take and ferric sulfate, Fe2SO4 whole 3, ferric sulfate, and 24H2O. Okay, then it is ferric salt. इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं आप देखिए, दो नॉर्मल सॉल्ट को सिर्फ क्या कर रहे हैं, इक्विमोलर प्रोपोर्शन में लेकर के मिक्स किया गया है, ठीक है। नाउ दिस आर द क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन केमिकल फॉर्मूला, नॉर्मल सॉल्ट, एसिडिक सॉल्ट, बेसिक सॉल्ट एंड डबल सॉल्ट। नाउ सेकंड इज योर क्लासिफिकेशन based on the basis of pH value, on the basis of pH value. Okay, the first is neutral salt. Neutral, it means pH is equal to 7. Strong acid and strong base will combine. Okay, strong acid, NaOH strong base plus strong acid combines gives NaCl. Okay, and H2O. So what is this? This is neutral salt. Litmus paper में डालेंगे, we will get nothing. Okay, color will not change because pH is 7, neutral. Second is acidic salt solution. Acidic means इसमें कुछ acidic property होगा, ठीक है। For example is your NH4Cl. होता क्या है, एसिडिक सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन मीन जो कॉम्बिनेशन हुआ है, आप जानते हैं एसिड और बेस को कंबाइन करके सॉल्ट का फॉर्मेशन हुआ है। यदि सॉल्यूशन एसिडिक है, इट मींस जो कॉम्बिनेशन हुआ है उसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड और वीक बेस के साथ हुआ है, ठीक है। दिस इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड प्लस वीक बेस। एसिड क्योंकि स्ट्रॉन्ग है, यू सी HCl, और बेस क्या है, वीक है, NH4OH. So by the combination of strong acid and weak base, we get NH4Cl. NH4Cl आएगा and you will also get water. तो यदि strong acid है और weak base है, then you will get acidic salt. उसका solution मिलेगा and here pH will less than 7. ठीक है, because you know that 0, 7 up to 14 बेसिक है और इधर क्या है, एसिडिक। एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी इंक्रीजेस और यहाँ क्या होता है, बेसिक प्रॉपर्टी, बेसिक नेचर इंक्रीजेस। तो यहाँ क्या देख रहे हैं, लेस देन 7, pH is less than 7, it means it is acid. Okay, now third is basic salt solution. अब आप देखें एसिडिक सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन में स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड वीक बेस था, नेचुरल है कि बेसिक सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन में स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस और वीक एसिड होगा, ठीक है। एग्जांपल इज Na2CO3। एग्जांपल क्या है, Na2CO3 मींस स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस NaOH plus weak acid H2CO3. We all know that this carbonic acid is weak and NaOH is strong. So this is combination of strong base and weak acid. So we get sodium carbonate and water is also. The third classification is on the basis of family of salt. On the basis of family of salt. Family of salt. So see what happens. NaCl, Na2CO3, Na2SO4, NaNO3, all contains Na plus cation. All contains Na plus cation. Okay, so it is sodium family, member of sodium salt family, sodium salt का family. Now see NaCl, MgCl2, KCl, ZnCl2, all contains Cl minus anion. Cl minus anion, all contains Cl minus. So this is chloride family. Chloride family. Salt of chloride family. So on the basis of family you can see if something is common. इसमें क्या है? सोडियम कॉमन है, Na plus cation is common enough, so this is sodium family, and Cl minus is common in this one, known as chloride family. Okay. Now see, now this is all about the classification of salt. Now see, preparation of salt. How can we prepare salt? Okay. First, very simple, you know, after neutralization of acid and base, we get salted water. So first preparation of salt. First, by addition of, or you can say by the action of acid on base, by the action of acid on base. Very simple, acid plus base, we get salt, NaCl plus water. Second, you take H2SO4 plus KOH, we get K2SO4 plus water. Okay, and so on. You will get many reactions. Second, by the action of acid on metal. Okay, action of acid on metal. Zinc plus H2SO4. We get ZnSO4 and hydrogen will be there. Magnesium plus HCl, MgCl2 and hydrogen is evolved. Okay. And so many reactions you can make yourself also. Zinc plus HCl, ZnCl2 plus H2 and again Mg with H2SO4, Mg plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus H2 and so on. Okay. Now third is by the action of acid on metal oxide. Here we have taken metal. Now see action of acid on metal oxide. You take MgO, metal oxide plus HCl gives MgCl2 and here you will get water, not hydrogen. Here we will get water. Calcium oxide plus HCl, CaCl2 plus H2O. Okay? Action of acid on metal oxide. Now see, action of acid on metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, or you can say metal bicarbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate means metal bicarbonate. Now see some examples. Metal carbonate, CaCO3, action of acid, okay, CaCl2 plus water, and also you will get carbon dioxide because carbonate is here. Okay, you will also get carbon dioxide. Next, see the example of hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate plus sulfuric acid. Okay, what will you get? Sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, and again water and carbon dioxide. So in this way also you will get salt. Okay, now see, now action of base. This is all about action of acid. First is neutralization reaction. Second is action of acid. Now see, action of bases on metal. First see, action of metals. Action of base on metals. Fifth is action of base on metals. Zinc plus base, we get Na2, ZnO2, and hydrogen will be evolved. This is sodium zincate, okay, tin plus NaOH, Na2 SN O2 plus H2, sodium stenite. So in this way, by the action of base on metal, we will get salt and hydrogen is there. Now sixth one is action of base on non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide. इसी में क्या देखे थे? मेटल ऑक्साइड. Now here action of base on non-metal oxide. Okay, non-metal oxide. Base plus carbon dioxide. Carbon is non-metal, so this is non-metallic oxide. We get Na2CO3 and water will be removed. Okay, see one more example. Calcium hydroxide. Double salt. Okay, mixing normal salts. Normal salts in equimolar proportion. Same thing, you can say anything. Okay, K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 whole 3 plus 24H2. What you will get? K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole 3 24H2. What is this? Potash alum. Potash alum. Okay. NH4 whole twice SO4 FeSO4 6H2. What is this? More salt solution. More salt. And now also I have told about chrome alum and ferric salt. Okay. Now this is all about salt, their classification and how can we prepare salt. I have shown different ways to prepare salt. So this is all about salt classification and preparation. Now from next class we will meet with another